The letter C. Once upon a time, there was a Khan family. The Khan family is on a trip to Spain. They hire a car and decide to drive out to a small village to visit the castle there. On the way, they pass a donkey carrying a big bundle of sticks. After they have seen the castle, they come back to the village for a snack. Outside the cafe is the same donkey, enjoying a rest and a big bucket of water. While they are eating, they spot a cat and her kittens playing outside. As the clock strikes 4 o'clock, some Spanish dancers come out and perform in the courtyard in front of the cafe. The ladies carry castanets and wear dresses in bright red, yellow, and blue. They clap and dance, swirling their dresses around and clicking their castanets. What sound does the letter C make? The end.